Good evening. Am I audible, ma? Can anyone respond? Am I audible? 31. Okay, ma, roll number 2. We'll wait 2 more minutes for remaining people to join. Okay, ma, we'll start the session. What we have seen in the last session, can anyone tell me? What we have seen in the last session? Please respond what we have seen in the last session. Optimal binary search tree. Very good. We have seen how to construct the binary search tree and how many binary search trees are possible we have seen. In this session, we'll discuss about how can we construct the optimal binary search tree using dynamic programming. We'll discuss now. Okay, how can we construct means first I'll write the given problem. So here they have given you the number of nodes n is equals to 4 In the probability, what are the nodes? First I'll give you the nodes are do, int, sorry, do, int, for, and while. Do, int, for, and the while. These are the given nodes assumed. Now, what are the probability for success? P represents success probability. What P represent? P represents the success probability. What are success probability is 3 comma 3 comma 1 comma 1. Next, unsuccess probability is unsuccess probability. I already told you that n plus 1. If there are success probability is 4 means unsuccessful probability is 5. Why it is 5 means if there are n number of nodes means n plus 1 number of null nodes. When will you say unsuccessful? When it reaches to the null node. That's why for successful probability it is 4 nodes. For unsuccessful probability it is 5 nodes. Okay, ma? Now we'll see how can we construct the optimal binary search tree. All of you observe carefully. This is 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are going to construct. First we will find W00. W is the weight, C00, C is the cost, R00, R is the root node. Next W01. You may ask, ma'am, why how you are getting these values? These values are nothing but j minus I is equals to 0. Wij value I is 0 only. J value how can we get means j minus I is equals to 0, which means the difference between these two things is 0. The difference between these two things is 0. So when will you get 0? When both I and j value are equal, then only you will get 0. So Wij is equals to 0. Next W01, next C01, next R01. Here the difference is 2. 2 means what will you write here? Can anyone respond? 0, 2. The difference is 2. 2 minus 0, which is 2. So C02, R02. Here W03, C03, C03, R03. Next, here the difference is 4. It is 04, C04, R04. Now, here, when will be the difference in the first part? So it is 1, 1. 1 minus 1, which is 0. So C11, R11. Next, here the difference is 1. 1 means with 1, 2. W12, C12, R12. Here the difference is 2. 2 means W13, C13, R13. Here the difference is 3. 3 means W14, C14 and R14. Here the difference is again 0. 0 means W22, C22, R22. Here the difference is W23, C23, R23. Here the difference is W24, 24 and R24. Here the difference is 2, no? So 4 minus 2 is 2. Here difference is 0. So which is W33, C33, R33. Here the difference is 1, right? So it is W34, C34, R. Again here the difference is 0, so it is W44, C44, R44. Did you understand how I have given the values? Please respond, say yes or no. Did you understand, ma? Here the difference is 0, here the difference is 1, here the difference is 2, the difference is 3, here the difference is 4. W I comma j, this is I. J value is nothing but j minus I value is the difference. Based on the difference, I have given the values. Is it clear, all of you, the construction of the table? Say yes or no. At least in chat box you respond. Say yes or no. 31. Okay, ma. Now W00, when the value I is equals to 0, if you observe, I is 0, J is 0, I is 1, J is 1, I is 2, J is 2, where in the first row all Ij values are equal. When I is equals to 0, then Wij formula which is equals to Q of J only. When, here I am writing the formula, when I is equals to J, then Wij formula is equals to simply Q of J only. This is the formula for first row. When I and J values are equal. When I and J values are equal. So W00 value I can write it as 2. W11 value I can write it as Q of 1, which is 3. W22 value is Q of 2, which is 1. Q of 3, which is 1, Q of 4, which is equals to 1. Now, C00, the cost is 1, both I and J values are equal, consider it as 0 only. Consider the cost as 0 only. Consider the cost as 0 only. When both I and J are equal, consider the root node also 0 only. Consider the root node as 0 only. Here also 0 only. Here also it is 0. Now, here W01 where I and J are not equal. When I and J are not equal, then what is the formula for Wij is Wij is equals to W of I comma J minus 1, W of I comma J minus 1 plus P of I plus Q of, sorry, P of J plus Q of J. P of J plus Q of J. W of 01 you are finding. W01 you are finding. W01 is equals to W, I value is 0. J minus 1 means which is 0, 1 minus 1, which is also 0. Which is also 0 plus P of 0, sorry, P of 1 plus Q of 1, because P of J plus Q of J, right? So P of 1 plus Q of 1. What is the value of W00? Which is equals to 2
2,
plus P of 1. What is P of 1? This is 1,
3,
right? Cheppu Seshakiran.
3, ma'am.
3. Next Q of 1 is
2,
1 or 2 or 3?
3, ma'am. 3,
3, because Q is starting with 0, right? So
0.
plus 2, which is equals to 8. Did you understand how can we get this? See, will you tell me the remaining W values? The remaining W values are W12. W12 means W11, which is 3 plus of 2 plus Q of 2. P of 2 is 3. So W11 value is 3. P of 2 value is also 3. Q of 2 value is 1. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Got it? Say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Next W23. W23 value, how can you get? W22 plus 1 plus P of 3, which is also 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Q of 3, which is also 1.
3.
Plus 1 is 3. Got it? Next, W34. W34 means W33 plus W33 is also 1.
1.
Q of 4 plus Q of 4, which is also equal
3.
to 3. Am I clear, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, this W value you tell me. W02. W02 means what is the formula? W02 minus 1, which is 01, which means whatever the value we have calculated just before the W02, which is 8.
8.
8 plus P of 2. P of 2 is 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus P of 2 is, sorry, Q of 2 is 1. 11 plus 1 is 12. Got it, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, W13. 13 means W12 plus, which is 7 plus P of 3. P of 3 is 1. Q of 3 is also 1. 7 plus 1, which is equals to 9. Next, W24. W24 means W23 plus. W23 is 3. 3 plus P of 4 is 1, which is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So it is 5. Next, this W. W03 means W02 plus P of 3 plus Q3. W02 is 12. 12 plus P of 3 is 1. Q of 3 is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 12 plus 2 is 14. W14. W14 is W13 plus, which is 9 plus P of 3. Sorry, P of 4. P of
11.
4 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. Okay. W03 value, which is 12 plus P of 3 is 1, Q of 3 is 1. Okay, correct one. Next, W04 value. W04 value is W03 plus, which is 14 plus. 14 plus
15,
1
ma'am.
plus 1, which is
1.
equals to 16. Am I clear, ma'am? Is it clear all W values? How can we find? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'll tell you the formula for C value. I'm removing this. Here I'll write the formula. What is the formula for Cij is, observe carefully, C I comma j is equals to minimum of I less than, this step is very important, k less than or equals to j, C of I comma k minus 1 plus C of k comma j plus W of j. W of I comma j. This is the formula. I'll tell you the example. First C01 will find out. C01 value is equals to what I have written, I less than k less than or equals to j. What is your I value? 0. What is your j value? 1. K is always greater than I. 0 kanna greater. Which is greater than 0 means 1 will consider. 1 less than or equals to 1. True. So k value I may consider it as 1 only. Did you understand, ma, why I have considered k value is 1 instead of 0 or some other value? K is in between I to j, okay, which is greater than I and equals to j or less than j. So greater than I means 0, after greater than from 1 to all numbers, but j is 1. So which is less than or equals to j. So only 1. I have k equals 1. Respond, say yes or no. So next, minimum of cost of I comma k minus 1. I value is 0. K minus 1 means 1 minus 1, which is 0. So C0, 0, comma. CKJ. CKJ means K value is 1, J value is also 1, because we are finding C0, 1, no. K value is 1, J value is also 1. So it is C11. Minimum of C00 plus C11. What is C000? 0 plus 0 only. Minimum of 0 means it is 0. 0 plus Wij. Wij value is W01. Already we found the value.
8.
What is the value here? 8. So for this row, we will get all the values which are equals to this value only, which are equals to the W value only, because every time you will get C11, C22. Both are 0. C31, C33, C22, C33. Next C33, C44. So here you will get the same thing. R means you just consider the K value. What is the K value you have considered here? 1. So I'm updating this one. Here K value is, here you may consider it as 2. Here it is 3. Here it is 4. Am I clear on this step? All of you? Clear? Yes or no? Now, I'll tell you C02, then you'll understand this C formula correctly. Okay, how can we solve it? Observe carefully. What I'm finding, C02 I'm finding here. C02, observe carefully, ma. C02 means minimum of, what are the possible K values? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me? I'm expecting the answer. Those who can able to analyze mathematics, they can able to answer. 31, 34, roll number 2, Shivanarayan. Are you there in the session? See, what are the possible values?
1 and 2.
Yes, very good. 30. 1 and 2. How can you say it? It is greater than 0, less than or equals to 2. So what are the possible in between 0 to, only 1 is possible, but it is equals to this. So 1 and 2 are possible. Very good. Now, cost of I comma k minus 1. I is 0 only. Comma k minus 1. K first I'm assuming it like 1. Don't include 2. First I'm assuming k equals to 1. 1 means k minus 1 means it is 0 only. Plus C of k comma j. K value what I assumed 1. What is the j value? Which is 2. This is when k is equals to 1. But we are having one more possibility for k. So I'm putting comma here. So what is another possibility? C of I is same. K I'm assuming now k equals to 2. 2 minus 1 is 1 plus C of k is 2. J is also 2. Plus Wij. Wij is nothing but W02. Now, Seema, this is when k equals to 1 and this is when k equals to 2, which is giving me the minimum value. Tell me. C00 means 0 only. C12. C12 means whose value is 7. Here the value is 7, comma. C01. C01 is 8. 8 plus C022. 22 is 0 only. So 7 comma 8. Which one is minimum? Which one
Second
is minimum?
one, 2, k equal to 2.
Minimum, amma.
Minimum.
7, 8
K
is
equal to 1, ma'am.
k equals to 1. So 7 is the minimum. What is the value? 7 is plus W02 value 12. So which is equals to 19. Okay. So C02 is equals to 19. What is R02 then? Which one you have considered? Which one you have included in your cost? Is it k equals to 1 or k equals to 2? Which one you have
K
included?
equal to 1.
1. So your root is 1 here. Will you able to solve the remaining this one and this one? Will you able to do it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do it now and tell me the values. 31, tell me the values after completion. Ma. Then how can we construct the tree? I'll tell you. I'll give you 10 minutes time. Calculated 31. Check the values. Have you got the same values? Thirty-one, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you got the same values?
No, ma'am. I'm not getting.
Which one? C13.
Ma'am, C13 should we consider 1, 2, 3? or only
Okay, ma, I'll tell you. Still, those who are having confusion, observe here. C13 is equals to I kanna k paddaga undali, which is k is in between I to j and it may be equals to j. So it is, which is greater than I. Greater than I means the possible value is only 2 and less than or equals to j. So we consider k equals to 2 and 3. So minimum of C of what is your I value? I value is 1 only. K minus 1. K value first I am assuming like 2. So 2 is 1 plus C of 2 comma K value is 2 and J value is 3. This is when the K value is equals to 2. Next we are having one more possibility for K. No. What is that? K is equals to 3. When K is equals to 3, I is 1. K minus 1 is 3 minus 1 which is 2 plus K value is 3 as well as J value is also 3. Okay. C11 plus C23. C11 is 0. What is C23? This one. So it is 3. K equals to 2 means the value you got is 3. C12 value is 7. 7 plus C33 is 0 only. So which one is minimum? Which one will you consider? 3 we will consider. Plus Wij, W13. What is W13? Which is equals to 9 equals to 12. That's what I have written here. When you got 3, when the K value is equals to 2. So that's why I have updated R13 is equals to 2. Is it clear? 31.
yes, ma'am, got it.
Now we'll see the remaining also. Remaining also I'll explain, ma'am. Still those who are having doubts, you can observe. Next I am telling you C24. C24 is equals to minimum of, what are the possibilities for K? K is equals to greater than I. So it is 3 comma and less than or equals to J. So it is 4. Minimum of C I comma K minus 1. I is 2. K minus 1 is 3 minus 1 when I assume K equals to 3, which is C2 comma 2 plus C 3 comma J value is 4 comma. One more possibility is that this is when the K value is equals to 3. What is one more possibility? C K equals to 4, right? I value is 2 only. K minus 1 is 3 plus C of Kj. K value is 4 and J value is 4. This is when K is equals to 4. Okay, what is C22 which is 0? 0, C34. What is C34 which is equals to 3, comma. C23. What is C23? 3. Okay, 3 plus C44 is 0. So which one will you consider? You can consider either K as 3 or K as 4. That's your wish. Plus 3 plus, what is Wij which is 5. 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. So the cost I have updated as 8. You may consider either 3 or 4 here. Is it clear, all of you? Say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. Will you able to find out the remaining C03? Here how many K values are possible?
2, 2 and 3. Oh, 3, ma'am. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2. Here? 2,
3, ma'am. 2, 3 and 4.
here?
Same, ma'am. 2, 3 and 4.
2, 3 and 4. Check once. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 values are possible, ma. Here K value is only 1. Here 2 values are possible. Here 3 values are possible. Here 4 values are possible. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Among which one is giving me the minimum value, that you have to consider here. So you'll get these values. Will you able to do it? Will you able to do it? Respond.